Hi, I'm Ruth, here to address horses who may be experiencing pain. Although our horses cannot verbally communicate to us that they are in pain or the location of their pain, at times it's pretty obvious as they consistently look at an area or lick or bite that area or react to even a light touch from you in that area. We know that the most significant sign of pain in any animal is lack of normal behavior. So, anytime your horse is acting in a manner that you consider abnormal for them, you can certainly suspect pain. Some additional pain indicators could include grinding of the teeth, staring at the belly, unusual posture, shifting weight from one side to the other, muscle twitches, abnormal sweating, mood changes, lying down more than usual, decreased appetite, appearing quiet or dull with little interest in their surroundings, or you might experience the opposite, restless and agitated, which could lead to head shaking, a reluctance to move, or suddenly resisting the saddle or losing focus on the training. So, how do you address this? Well, you must first determine if the horse needs to see a veterinarian. I'm not a veterinarian, and chances are you aren't either. After seeing the vet, if there are no contraindications, you can then introduce the horses to the doTerra essential oils. Cautions which we must always remember are: first, never use essential oils of any kind on or near the ears, eyes, nose, or genital region. Secondly, use caution with animals that are on certain medications, or they're very young, they're pregnant, or they're nursing. That's another reason to communicate with the vet. And third, if the horse has a dermal patch or other topical medication, do not use the oils topically on the horse. doTerra essential oils are the only oils safe to use with horses, as these are the only oils that have consistent chemistry, and that chemistry allows us to expect certain outcomes. With horses, the best doTerra essential oils for addressing pain are dependent on the cause and the source of the pain. Is there an identified injury or illness? Is it muscular? Is it ligamentous? Is it digestive? Is there an open wound? Is there a laceration, cut, or bruise? Is there swelling? With horses, there are many choices, including copaiba, frankincense, the aromatouch blend, cypress, marjoram, peppermint, wintergreen, the deep blue blend, Siberian fir, Roman chamomile, lavender, turmeric, lemongrass, helichrysum, rosemary, basil, juniper berry, sandalwood, cedarwood, black pepper, ylang ylang, yarrow palm, ginger, bergamot, clary sage, lemon, grapefruit, vetiver, and geranium. Remember, the oils chosen will depend on the condition. These oils can be diffused, although this would be very difficult and challenging to do in a barn. So if they are used topically with horses, it's not usually necessary to dilute. In some very sensitive horses, it may be wise to do so. And if the horse's behavior indicates an adverse reaction, all you have to do is dilute the area of application with a carrier oil. Now, if you don't have anything in the barn like fractionated coconut oil, you can certainly use a common kitchen oil, such as vegetable oil or olive oil, for the dilution, just in that same area. Now, when using doTerra essential oils, there are some that can be given internally. One great combination for pain is 5 drops of copaiba and 5 drops of frankincense added twice daily to the feed. I only say this because as long as you are only using doTerra oils, because they are the only oils safe to take internally. Now, if you are hesitant after hearing all this to attempt to determine which oils to use for your horse's pain or any other situation, or exactly how to use them, I'm here to help. As a certified animal aromatherapy specialist, I will be happy to guide you in choosing the right oils and then support you in using those oils correctly as you care for your very important family member, the horse. Contrast this to purchasing oils at a retail store. If there is actually a human assisting you at the register, you might get a thank you, or as you're leaving the store, you might get a little wave with a comment to have a nice day. But then when you get home or to the barn, you don't know how much of the oil to use, or you don't know how often to use it. The horse may have a reaction you don't understand, and you don't know what to do about it. You have no place to turn. And if you then try to get information on the internet, it's confusing, contradictory, and frightening. When you purchase from me, you truly get me. At my Linktree, you can either click the link to set up a wellness consultation with me for you and your horse, or if you wish to just purchase the oils to use for yourself and your horse without a wellness consultation, you can click the link referral.doterra.me and then my ID number. My link is also in the comments here, so let's keep you and your horse happy and healthy at home.